Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As Raksha Bandhan is just around the corner, so I thought of preparing something special for this occasion. So today I am going to show you how to make Rasmalai trifle pudding. So let's get started. To make this Rasmalai trifle pudding, we will first have to make 3 things: Rasmalai, sponge cake and cream frosting. To make Rasmalai, take a wok, pour half liter of milk in it, heat it on a medium flame, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 cup of pistachios and 2 drops of yellow food color and stir well. Keep stirring the milk for a while and then add half cup of condensed milk to it and again give it a good stir. Give the milk a good boil on high flame. Keep stirring the milk for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes of stirring, you will notice that the milk is almost ready. Switch off the flame and transfer the malai into a separate utensil and allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, we will prepare the paneer. Take a saucepan, add 1 liter of milk and heat it. Here I have taken half liter of milk as I already had some paneer with me. So when you are making paneer, please take 1 liter of milk only. Keep the flame on medium heat. As soon as the milk comes to a boil, switch off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar into the milk, slowly in batches and stirring in between until the milk curdles. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon juice also. Once the milk is curdled, we will strain it in a muslin cloth and give it a quick wash with cold water. Squeeze out all the water completely from the paneer and keep it aside. Take the paneer on a flat surface and knead it well with your palm. Keep kneading it until it becomes silky smooth. Add half teaspoon of corn flour to it and knead again for 2 to 3 minutes more. When it becomes smooth, form rasgullas and press it a bit with your palm. Now as we have completed making our rasgullas, we will make the sugar syrup now. Place a wok on heat and add 1 cup of sugar and 3 cups of water. Mix it well and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Now we will drop the rasgullas slowly into the sugar syrup. We will cover the rasgullas with a lid and keep checking it in every 3 to 4 minutes, flipping them so that they are cooked from both the sides. Cover the wok for 15 minutes to cook properly. The rasgullas will be double in size after 15 minutes. Switch off the flame and allow the rasgullas to cool down. Add the rasgullas to the malai mixture and refrigerate for a few hours. Now we'll prepare the sponge cake. In a bowl, add half cup of curd and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir well until foamy and keep it aside. In another bowl, take half cup of vegetable oil, 150 grams of caster sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla. Add the curd mixture and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix well with a spatula until well combined. Now sift 150 grams of flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all of this into the wet ingredients and fold in well. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Grease your baking pan and line it up with parchment paper. Pour the cake batter and bake it at 180 degrees for 30 minutes until golden brown. Allow the cake to cool down after you take it out from the oven. Now we will whip 200 grams of cream and add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar until we get stiff peaks. In a glass or a jar, add a layer of crumbled vanilla cake followed by the rasmalai that we had prepared. Add whipped cream as the third layer and repeat the layers one more time and garnish it with some pistachios.